Here's a quick little demo on some mixed media art using Miss Lillian's Metalsmith products. I just applied them right to my base coat base that's already been prepared, and just kind of swished them around with a chip brush, being careful not to blend them, and then just use a paper towel after that to blot out the excess and kind of move it around in preparation for the next step, which is using Miss Lillian's turquoise activator. Of course, it didn't activate this quickly, but this is the end result and a perfect base for these pieces of art. I also did another piece using those colors and applied a piece of contact paper that I cut out in a heart shape. That way it acts as a mask. I use these colors, just apply them to the top of the piece and some at the bottom. Just kind of distributed them. Then I used a squeegee, just pulled it down and was able to remove the mask, and we have a piece of art. Now I'm going to apply some easy peasy way to create some graffiti art using Miss Lillian's Lackluster to decoupage them on. Just brush on the back and then apply it. Make sure that it's secure, and you're going to brush the top and actually carry the top coat over the whole piece, and then you end up with, voila, some graffiti art.